Hello friends, this is a unit that I purchased from AliExpress. It's 27 inches of straight hair. This is what the card looks like. I think that's the company. It doesn't really say anything else on it. I've had it for a while. It has the frontal piece here. It's not full lace. I already cut the lace off because I just can't cut lace while it's on my head. And then it has the two combs and the strap. It did come with an elastiband, but I'm going to see if I need to sew the band in tonight. See if I need to sew the band in tonight. And I think I may have to sew the band in tonight. Because it feels a little big. Hold on, y'all, with my brush. On my head. It feels a little big. Sorry, it feels a little big. So I may have to sew the elastiband on. And I'm going to have to play with it a little bit. I have enough parting space to make this part go over a little bit, I think. Like I said, it's not like a full lace closure, but I don't like the part in the middle on this one. And normally I do really good with the middle part, but I think I'm going to pull this over some. I think I'm going to pull this over some. I can tell right now this isn't going to be one of those really, really good ones like I'm used to getting. So I'm going to have to play with this a little bit. Probably tonight when I get home. I don't have time now. So you know what I'm going to have to do now? Yep. Your girl's going to have to improvise. So when you don't have time, the best thing to do is turn the unit. So you see how I just turned the unit? I turned the unit to put my part on that side. And I might just wear it back because I'm going to have to play with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is my Got To Be Glued spray. This was the one from the Dollar Tree. This was 9.1 ounces. And because I'm already getting ready to go to work, I thought it was going to be a simple install, and it's not. I'm going to have to play with it tonight, so I'm going to go ahead and tame these flyaways. There are a lot of flyaways and a lot of shedding, and I only cut that little bit of lace. It wasn't even a full lace, but a lot of flyaways and a lot of shedding. So, and it feels big. It does feel kind of big, so definitely, I'm definitely going to have to sew that strap in tonight. It said 18 inches, but it's not falling. Look, it's not falling 18 inches. It's like right to my boobs. I would think this would be more like a 14 or a 16 inch. It's not falling 18 inches at all, to me. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I gotta see what company I ordered this from. I had to go back in my things, but I'm not satisfied with the front part. But like I said, I've got about 20 minutes before I need to leave the house to go to work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down so it's on for the day. And what I like about the Got To Be Glued glue and the Got To Be Glued spray is when I come home, I can get it off with no problem. You know, people that do the lace glue, you know, your wig is going to be on for probably a month at least, or a good 2 or 3 weeks. I don't sleep in my units. I take them off when I come home. I believe that that helps save my edges. I already have a hereditary condition on my edges, so I don't leave the unit on. I don't sleep in the unit. Yeah, that's got to be the company, because here's the bag. Beauty Fashion Hair. I normally get good units from AliExpress. Here's the elastiband, and I am going to sew that on tonight. Now that I see that it needs to be on, I'm going to sew that on tonight. But to get through work today, I just glued the top down, and then I'm going to put the hair in a ponytail. And, you know, just kind of wear it sleek to the side until I get it. I also want to pluck out some of those hairs. Normally when I get a unit, the scalp, at least you can see the scalp, even if it's not my color. On this unit, you can't even see the scalp. It's just so tight together. I am not a good plucker. So I am hoping I can pluck it to the point where it looks a little bit more natural. If not, then I'll probably just wear this until I get tired of wearing it. I don't think this is going to be a good unit. I don't even think it's going to last long. Very, very thin. The density has to be 100, not even 130. Very, very thin. So I don't think this is going to last long. It's October 8th. Just wearing it. My mother has, I have another unit already for my mother's birthday party in November. So even if I get to the end of October with it, I'm cool with that. I already have backup units, as y'all know. I just wanted to come show you guys this unit. Definitely not 18 inches to me. Definitely not 18 inches. Definitely very, very thin and shabby. And definitely the part is not showing me any scalp. I'd rather some scalp and I put some powder in there than no scalp. So tonight I will be tweezing and sewing in a strap. And if you do go with this company for the unit, I'll try to find a link. Ali links die really fast. If y'all don't know what that means, watch a couple of videos. But I'll try to find the link. But I really wouldn't, honestly, I wouldn't suggest this one. I wouldn't suggest this one. So, your girl is out, y'all. I'll see you next time.